Hey, it's Living with Chanel. Welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time here, welcome. I am glad you're here. I would love for you to join the family, so make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Today we're going to be doing a little bit of DIY. So the color of this mirror is actually not bad. It's just that I don't have any furniture around that has this color, so I definitely need to change it into a white color, a gray color, a black color. Let me show you what I'm going to be using for this. So I went to Home Depot to grab some paint, and I've used this before, so I had to get the same type of paint because I just love it. Along with that, I also got this plastic wood, natural interior or exterior wood filler type of thing. On the cheaper side, I went to the dollar store and I grabbed this sandpaper set. It's a lot in it. I don't need to buy any fancy sandpaper to do it. So first thing first, I'm gonna go ahead and sand the whole mirror, and then from there we're just gonna be painting. This paint has a primer and the paint in it, so you don't have to prime it first, and it comes out glossy, and I like the gloss look of it. It's high gloss. So let's get started. So I lightly sanded the whole mirror. As you can see, I'm going to go ahead and just wipe all the sand. I just found out that I have to let this dry 3 to 6 hours before I paint. I'm going to put this wood filler, and then tomorrow I'm going to come back and do the painting. Today we're going to go ahead and sand these fake wood fillings. Make sure to cover every inch of the mirror because you don't want paint on your mirror. If you are excited to see the final look of this video, of this project, comment 3 red hearts below. So this is what the paint looks like after one full day of drying. So I've removed the tape that I had around these, and I'm gonna just paint this gold just to see how it looks like. If I don't like it, I might just repaint it black. This is actually not painted. I'm gonna go ahead and see. I have this leftover gold that I used in the past. I'm just gonna spray that on it, and we'll see how it looks.